Hi guys, it's Josie back with another video, and today I have another squishy package. I already opened the package bit, and I got this big bag full of all of the stuff, and this is a trade squishy package. So yeah, I traded with this person, and you'll get to see her in the note. She is the best person ever I've traded from. I've traded from a lot of people, and this is the best one that I've traded from. So let's just get started with the trade. Okay. So, sorry, it says a note. It says, "Dear Jasmine," I'll even show you it to see it's true. "Dear Jasmine, thank you for trading with me." Her name, Squish Maddie. This is the person that I traded with, Squish Maddie. I love all your gifts. Oh, I love all your gifts, because I gave her stuff, and she must have got it before I got mine. So I love all your gifts and hope your gifts. Sorry, let me read that again. Sorry, it's just really confusing. Like all the stuff, it's really cramped together. "Dear Jasmine, thank you for trading with me. Hashtag Squishy Maddie. I love all your gifts. Hope the squishies are in good condition. Hope we can trade again. Thanks again, Squish Maddie XOXO XOXOX." And then, don't know what this is yet. Squishies that I gave to you. Okay, I don't want to read that because I don't really know what, I don't want to know what I got. So, okay. So, sorry. This says extras. The first thing that slipped out was this, thingy-majiggy. Oh, what's it called? Sorry. My feet are hurting me. This, I don't know, what's it called? This sweatband, I forgot. Next, I got this Baby Alive. Well, it's obviously not a Baby Alive. Oh, it's Play-Doh. It's super cool. I love it. I love Play-Doh. I'm guessing this is from a Baby Alive. I don't know if it's from Snackin' Sarah or Snackin' Lily. I don't know, because I used to play with babies, but I don't play with them anymore. So thank you so much, Squish Maddie, for this. Next I got some Skittles, and this fruity Skittles, and then I got this Num Num. I don't know why I'm squishing it. Then I got this Lip Smacker, and this is Chupa Chups. Oh, this smells so good. I think it's been used. I don't know, but no, it hasn't been used. So let's just try it on. That's so good. Nope, it has not been used. Only by me, just now. Then, oh, I've seen these, and I really wanted to get it. It's the Dalmatian. Oh, he's so cute. There's this little puppy, and it's a Dalmatian. I love Dalmatian. And then the last thing in And the extras. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Is this pencil grip? Oh, it smells like jelly. They're really fun to stretch. Okay, so let's move on to the trade items. So first I got this cat mushroom and it's super squishy. Whoa. Then I got this Aunt Sunburn, which has a bite mark. And some of these I have this macaron. Oh, and she made a little tag which says Bluey and macaron and Bluey. I guess this is the Bredo Bluey macaron. I do not know. I'm guessing this is the Bredo macaron. Rah. I am Bluey the macaron. I really love the tag. I have this, but I gave it to her, and I got the exact same one. And she contacted me saying that she tried to copy of my tag, so that is super cool. I got this green tea donut with dab. This green tea donut with chocolate drizzle or something on. I got this Hello Kitty headband. Whoa. I'm actually going to have a race against these two. Let's use the squishiest. Okay, this one is the squishiest. Yeah. See, look, if I do this. So let's count. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. Well, I really like this headband because it's got the blue bow, and there's no defects on it, which that's super cool. But she did say this is very defected under there, but I don't care. Well, I don't really mind. And then I got this smiley face. I got this pink melon turtle. Here's the homemade tag, and it says melon turtle. I really like this tag. I really like showing them. I don't know why, especially with this one. I love these tag squishies. There's two more things. I have this bear skull bear in orange. And I have this steam bum, which is super squishy. This is like the squishiest one I've gotten. Is this like covered in tape? Because I want to feel them. Okay. It's got tape on it. Oh, I accidentally ripped the packaging. Oh, this is so soft. Oh, it smells pretty good. Okay, well that is all of the trade. So thank you so much, Squish Maddie, for trading with me. I love all of the gifts that you sent me. And hope you like all of mine, as I already know because you said it in the little note. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please click a like and subscribe. In the comments, let me know if you want, if you think I got good items from Squishmallow. Bye, see you tomorrow. I already did that.